Alright guys, so this is Nirbhay, and in this video we will see how you can get this Certified Ransomware Protection Officer certification completely for free. Okay, so you can see the format for this course is online, and the duration for this access is 90 days online access, and you have to give the commitment of 4 to 5 hours, and the mode of exam for this certification is online only, and you can see it is completely free, and the starting date for this is anytime as it is self-paced certification. So let's see how you can log in into this page or how you can sign up into this website. Okay, so at the top right, you can see there is two options, that is sign in and sign up. So we have to click on sign up option. Okay, so before we proceed further, please subscribe to this channel and make sure to turn on the bell icon because I keep on uploading this kind of videos. Okay, so now you have to fill your name, your email, you have to provide your password, and again you have to repeat it. You have to provide your phone number and your address, country, company name, your website, job role, how did you hear about this. So if you don't have anything, like if you're not working, so you can simply mention over there NA. Okay, you have to accept both and you have to click on start your learning journey. So now I have filled my details and I have logged in successfully. So now you will be getting a page like this where it will say ransomware protection officer, and below you have the option to click on continue. So click on that continue. After that, it will take you on this page where you will find all the course content. So you can go through all the course, and at the bottom you will be finding this CRPO certification exam. So once you completed all the stuff, at the end you can appear for this exam. So hoping that you find this video helpful. If you have any comment, then feel free to comment in the comment section. Till now, bye bye.